The significance of someone's life can be drastically improved and increased just by impacting some lives and impacting more lives. And I am going to take a time to make this video and to just thank you on wishing me happy birthday. And it was quite good to see all of your love and support on my DMs and messages. It was flooding, and I would like to convey this message that whatever you are doing, whatever work you are doing, just do it with your full effort and do it with a purpose. That's what I mean. Like every time I say, do it with a purpose. So I would like to thank you all for support and for all these messages and DMs regarding my happy birthday and all these things. And you know what? It's been a quite good journey, all these 17 years past. And I got to learn more things, I got to experience more things, and there are a lot of the things to be experienced and learned. And on this journey, I have helped a lot of people, and I'm grateful for that. So I just wanted to take this time to make this video and thank you all for happy birthday wishes and all these things. And I'm sure that more years will come and more excitement, fun, and more impact will be done from my side. And for you also, I would like to wish you all the very best on your success and or your journey that you are doing. And I mean, you just have to believe in yourself, just have a faith in yourself and do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. That's what we have to do, just take actions, you know. And yeah, thank you so much. Let's not waste your too much time, and thank you so much for wishing me birthday and all these things. I look forward to seeing more of your success stories and all these things. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for the wishes. Thank you.